Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the NordVPN app on macOS or Windows. So first, if you don't have a NordVPN account and you want to get one, you can check out the link in the description down below. But if you do have a NordVPN account, you want to click on where it says login. Once you have logged into your account, you want to go to the left-hand side where it says downloads. And from here, you can go under desktop apps and select the desktop that you're currently using. In this case, I'm using Mac, so I'm going to download for Mac. If you're using Windows, you can go ahead and click on download for Windows. Now, if you're on a Mac, it's going to open up this Mac App Store. And what you want to do is click on Open App Store. It's going to open up the NordVPN app page. And what you want to do is click on where it says get and install. This should take a couple seconds to download. And once you download the app, what you want to do is click on open. And now we have the NordVPN app open. This is going to look a little bit different if you're on Windows, but if you're on Mac, it should look something like this. And if we go ahead and click on where it says login, it's going to ask you to log into your account. And then you want to click on where it says open NordVPN. And now you should be logged in, where you can click on quick connect to connect to a VPN. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.